Welcome back to the channel. I'm in some traffic on Houston Street, but I'm on my way to a very special evening. Tonight is the showroom opening for Cake bikes, Cake electric vehicles. You've seen Cake a bunch on my channel. The guy Steve from the NYC Zoos Club works for the company now. He's going to be there. They have like a, RSVP invite only kind of showroom extravaganza. That's going on from 5 o'clock to 9 o'clock. And then there's also the first week of the Wednesday evening electric vehicle meetup at the House of Machines. So I'm on my way. I'm gonna check out the Cake thing and stay there for a little bit, and then head over to the House of Machines meetup. I'm just cruising down Christie, heading in that general direction. Seaport. The Cake showroom is basically, come on. Yeah, the Cake showroom is basically at the Seaport. So it's a great spot. It's right near Defara Pizza, which is great. So I'm just weaving around some of this traffic. It's a little bit slow going, but we're getting there, we're moving. So I'll probably stay there like, I don't know, not too long, maybe a half hour. Check it out. I have some questions about the OSA, the one that you can expand to 2 riders, because I kind of like that. And what else? Yeah, and then I'll probably hit up, just zip right up to House of Machines. There's going to be a lot of people there. I'll probably be seeing some familiar faces, meeting some new people, seeing some new kinds of bikes, hopefully. So I'm on Bowery now. I believe this is Bowery. And this will get me down to right where I need to be. Nice day for a ride. There is supposed to be a little bit of rain or rain clouds at some point later on. Hopefully that doesn't put a damper on things. I don't think it's gonna be a lot of rain. If it does rain, it's gonna be like sporadic drizzle, intermittent. But I guess we'll see. Crazy crossing there, but this is where I gotta be. So this summer seems like it's gearing up to be one of the best in terms of the schedule for rides and meetups and just, electric vehicle content. There's so much going on. If news on the e-bike news is what you're looking for, check out Frantic TV. I've been working with them a little bit, making some show content, and my show's called Around the Hood in 8 Minutes, but they have a news show, and you can get all sorts of information about upcoming rides, e-bike news in general, like what kind of new products there are. So check it out. I'm on there every once in a while with a show. Let's see, this is, I gotta turn here. I gotta get over to the Seaport. Make this turn. Brooklyn Banks, baby, it's coming back. I just saw something today that they invited some people here. I think it was actually today that it happened. They invited some people here to come and check out the space. And I think it's going to be opening again soon, like quicker than I thought. I thought it was going to be like a 5-year, you know, build out. But I think they got it moving pretty quick. I got to check into it. I got to see exactly what is going on with it, but I'm excited about it. Brooklyn Banks, historic skate park. Should be cool if it comes back. And it looks like Cake is coming up on the right. Should be right at this, right after this blinking light vehicle. Yeah, because there's Tafara. Here it is. How's it going?
Doing all right, bro.
Good to see you.
We got low-calorie cakes up here.
All right.
Yeah, man. Cake dealer won't be happy, but...
Good to meet you. I think we met before, yeah. So how's the showroom coming along? It's all done? It's all built out? I'm
I got
excited.
all the calluses to prove it.
I actually have a question for you guys, because I'm interested in the OSA because I've been seeing it so much with you around.
Yeah.
And I guess my question is, what sort of...
Yes, it does burnouts.
What sort of local maintenance is there? Like, say, if there's a flat or something like that.
Well, you have the shop.
Okay. This you can do fixing here.
We can do full service.
Okay.
We also have, let's see, Cavalier Customs. We have Dirty Billy. We have these. Those are both.
Okay, so some reputable shops that'll know what to do. That's good. That's cool.
We also have a partnership with Riders Alley. And there's quite a few people.
Okay. Cool.
Help service. Good.
That's great.
Yeah. Come on in. Let me show you the bike.
Yeah, let me check it out. Is the newest model here?
This is the fun. He's the founder of the company over there.
Oh, nice.
The tall speed.
Just chilling.
Yeah, you should. This is the one I love the most. I love that colorway. I've got a camera and a Glock to match. I gotta do it.
That's awesome. Yeah, that does match your camera.
It matches the camera and the dude. You should see the Glock.
I gotta
It has
see
the
the
Glock.
Glock.
It matches the seat.
That's awesome.
Because whenever I go out,
Hey, brother.
Hey, nice to meet you.
What's
Vinny.
your name? Vinny?
Good to meet you.
Coming out.
what crew?
The Good Morning America.
That's the one I want.
Your phone is charging in the back, so just let me know.
Oh, wow.
Grab it again.
Look at this little guy. Kids cake.
That one, you can see 2 people? No, one person with
Here at Cake, grand opening. People doing test rides behind me. Got the zoos here. Good showing. And it's early yet. All right, one stop down. Man, those cakes are really nice. I would love to get one. I would love to have one, the 2-seater, but I don't know. I don't know if I could fit it in the apartment. There's too much stuff. So I'm taking this Greenway to Pike Street, and then I'll be right at the House of Machines. This will be a short ride. There should be some people pulling up now. There is a little rain in the forecast. It'll probably rain, but maybe like not until after 7-ish or 8. So we'll see. I'm hoping the clouds go away. We need a good turnout for this first electric meetup rather, not a ride. Let's see, what's this? Catherine. A little bit more to go. Pike is just up past the bridge. Actually, you know what? I'm going to take this. I'm going to take this street. Monroe goes the other way. And it's on Monroe. for a good turnout. Here we go. Oh, I see another Zeus.
But how do I use?
Hey.
How do I? I'm learning how to jailbreak that. 20 miles per hour.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, you got to mess around with the settings a little bit.
So you're on.
Hey, how you doing?
What's going on, man?
Good to meet you, Vinny.
Mike, nice to meet you, man.
This is yours?
Yeah.
Nice. Beautiful.
Always late.
How you doing?
Hey, how are you, brother?
Good to see you.
Yeah. I'm excited to.
Nice.
Where's the second button? I only see one.
What time did you say?
Oh, the Onyx looks cool. How you doing? Good to see you.
Yeah, with the suit.
Yeah, this one's me.
The famous doing video shows on YouTube and
Yeah,
showing the rest.
you've seen it?
Yeah, I still like this guy looks familiar. I know I've seen him before, and I remember that because I was watching Mr. E,
Oh yeah.
and then that's what I saw you like. Oh no, I know this.
Yeah,
guy.
yeah.
Oh, what a famous, huh?
I hope we get a good turnout. This is yours?
Yeah,
It's
that's
awesome.
mine.
It's beautiful. Nice.
I love this style, you know. It's people simple.
Yeah.
Very vintage, very nice, beautiful.
What's your name, by the way?
Joel.
Good to meet you, Vinny.
Nice to meet you. I don't even know why I brought the bike.
Look who it is. What's up? Is it an electric vehicle? Carrying an electric vehicle?
Yeah. I usually have to take care of two things. Charge.
I like this setup. Wow, look at that. It's backup mic actually backing up. Yeah.
We're in the
What's
house.
up? Got the Zeus contingency right here. These are nice.
Brakes are really bad.
Yeah. So that was a great event, great turnout. A lot of people showed up, a lot of different kinds of electric vehicles, bikes, skateboards, unicycles, one wheels, you know, moto style, BMX style, Super 73s, Onyx, everything. Powerful lithium battery upgrades, I saw a few of those. The community is really coming together. It was a great event for the community. It looks like next week, the people from Spark Cycle Works are going to be there with some of their bandits for people to test ride. The bandit looks cool. It's like a big format. Oh, this guy's turning, getting in my way. It's like, it kind of reminds me of some of the rad power bikes or those other ones with the longer frames. And you could easily probably fit 2 people on it. So I might have to think about if I like it when I test ride it. I've been thinking about the cake, the 2-seater cake. or anything else that's a two-seater with good suspension, you know, that could comfortably transport me and the cake dealer around. The only thing is the cake has a little bit more security. You know, you can park it on the street and you'll have to insure it, so that's a whole other angle of complication. But I want something that I can ride around with and park without worrying about someone taking it or messing with it. I also want something that I can easily throw a second person on and not really have it inhibit my riding style in any way. You know, when there's two people on the Zoos, it's a little different. It's not, you can't really ride freely. You got to be careful, slow. So there's that. I just want something we can get around with real easy. Good suspension, two people. But that's it. Anyway, the point is, great, successful event. Can't wait for the next Wednesday meetup. If you got an e-bike and you're in New York City, come through to it. Come hang. Talk with everybody. And you know, as usual, make sure you like and subscribe. Tell your friends. Tell your fucking grandma.